Sean Keenan here, co-founder of Unifi. We just went through our data catalog offering, and now I'm going to talk about the data preparation side. So, what the business problem is that our catalog product solves that we talked about earlier is really the search and discovery and accessibility of data against all the relevant data sources, cloud, on-prem data center, Oracle databases you might have running in there. You might have SFDC up here. And again, you might have, let's say, a S3 bucket running in AWS. And you might have a SFDC instance maybe running in the cloud also. And our catalog offering gives the business the ability to explore and discover all these data sets. And really the goal there is, hey, what hypotheses about the business does this help a line of business users start to think about that might drive some decisions or drive revenue uplift or drive cost reduction and use cases that they want to go test? Well, that's a natural extension into our preparation product. And both of these products, really the IP of Unifi, is that they run essentially on one integrated platform. And the nice piece about this is all of the metadata that's uncovered during the discovery process through our catalog product is basically shared and used as recommendations on the preparation side of our product. So prep in our world is really nothing more than kind of the next generation of ETL technology. And why it's the next generation is we're not only enabling the data engineers that have always existed inside the enterprise to leverage a technology like this, but we're bringing a user experience that allows business analysts with inside sales or finance or supply chain to essentially start interacting with data in a new way that they've never been able to do before. And so as those use cases arrive, what our prep technology allows a business user to do, or an IT data engineer, is to go into our product and start saying, hey, wow, if I could just blend this SFDC data with this Oracle data and with this S3 JSON files that represent some sort of transactional data set, now I can really start asking some questions about the business that I was not able to ask before. And really what happens here from an architecture standpoint is our catalog product, it's really a lightweight solution. It runs on, let's say, an EC2 instance up in Amazon. Once you deploy our prep product, then we're actually going to start using a parallel computing technology called Hadoop. And in, let's say, Amazon's world, this would be their EMR service. And why we do that, and again, this is all obscured from the user of the product. They have no idea what's actually happening behind the scenes, but they're going through a nice automated defined user experience and saying, hey, Unifi, go get this data for me very fast from SFDC, Oracle S3. Go prepare it and apply these business rules. That's going to do some data cleansing work, some data transformation work, and do it really fast in a parallel computing cluster that is called Hadoop. And so what would happen here from an operational standpoint is we would extract in parallel, we would load into Hadoop in parallel, and then we would process the data via either Spark or Hive SQL and run this in a very efficient manner across all of these computing nodes that are essentially supporting that EMR service up in Amazon. So not only the ability to define an automated user experience where more users can participate in the process, but also process data in the cloud in the most efficient way possible. So that's our preparation offering. And again, the beauty of this is kind of that closed loop cycle of, hey, Unifi, you allowed me to go into your product and search through the catalog across all these available data sets. I then went in and prepared a new data set that I'm either leveraging for some downstream integration, and that new data set goes right back into the catalog for other users to explore. So again, providing a really rich experience for business users and fostering a lot of collaboration around usage of data.